Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the IN News. With me, Zahrotun Nur Fadilah will accompany you in a few minutes. Before I take you to detailed information, it's an obligation to remind each other that we are still suffering because of COVID-19 pandemic. The cases of COVID-19 pandemic are still increasing from time to time. It's really important for all of us to take a role in stopping the spread of COVID-19 infection. Wear your face mask, wash your hand and face regularly. If you can stay at home, stay at home. But if you have to go outside, make sure physical distancing. Maintaining precaution can save life. And now the top news of the day. COVID-19 pandemic started in 2019 and spread in all over the world until now in 2021. Reported more than 1 million people died because of being affected by the virus. COVID-19 pandemic doesn't only bring death for human life, but also bring negative impact in all sectors, especially in education sector. The executive director of UNICEF said, 463 million children have difficulty accessing distance learning after school activities have been closed due to COVID-19 pandemic. According to the UNICEF, children who have been out of school because of COVID-19 pandemic may experience increased stress and anxiety. It's because of the lack of interaction with peers. Loss of livelihood during COVID-19 pandemic can bring economic crisis and risk for children like family violence, child labor, forced marriage, and exploitation. Because of that, many children have trauma and mental health problems. Therefore, education is life-saving. It provides safety and protection. So, how about children who have difficulty in getting access to education during this difficult situation? A global fund named Education Cannot Wait program organized by UNICEF was launched in 2016 at the World Humanitarian, and it continues during the COVID-19 pandemic. The priority of Education Cannot Wait is to provide urgent funding and respond quickly to education needs, and also prioritize mental health psychosocial support. Education Cannot Wait program funds and makes sure quality learning for the most vulnerable country in a safe and inclusive environment, and also provides innovative and cost-effective responses like radio program, TV program, homeschooling, online learning, and other innovative approaches to help their mental health problem. And viewers, here the funding of Education Cannot Wait program we report from all over the world. Well, viewers, now we start from Middle East. Norwegian Refugee Council investigation indicates that the fear of COVID-19 pandemic is leading stress in among refugee and displaced children in the Middle East. Without access to the internet, many of these children have spent months without access to the safety and consistency that quality learning environment provides. On 4th of May 2021, Education Cannot Wait program announced $250,000 in new funding to support Norwegian Refugee Council in Iraq, Lebanon, and the State of Palestine. Education Cannot Wait program and Norwegian Refugee Council work together provide access to remote learning tools such as radio program, TV program, and also provide school-based mental health psychosocial support. After in the Middle East, now we go in Venezuela. In Venezuela, Education Cannot Wait was launched in the state of Zulia at the start of COVID-19 pandemic. Make sure every child is still learning and stay safe. New strategy was made. Each facilitator is responsible for following up 25 children from house to house. They give a food kit to families, education kits to children, notebook and learning guides to promote reading, writing, and logical thinking. When children live nearby the community, they can also learn together at the community center. Well, viewers, that's all for today's news. If you want to give donation and support Education Cannot Wait program, you can get more information about it in the website that we put in below. Thank you so much for the time and see you.